Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can directly create a Google Forms using Google Sheets. So in here, I've already opened the spreadsheets and let's say I want to create a survey with this question. So if you want to do it directly, you can just click on the tools up here and there will be these options to create a new form. Tap on that. You can just click on add questions. So as you guys can see here, now the form will be created. If you want to modify the form again, such as changing the title of the form or add some descriptions or changing the theme, you can do it in here. And after this, the forms will automatically be linked into the spreadsheets. So that's all for me. That's how you can create forms directly using Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks button below. Bye.